In a groundbreaking event, Eric Trappier, CEO of Dassault Aviation, unveiled the first Rafale F4 fighter aircraft produced specifically for the United Arab Emirates Air Force. The reveal took place at Dassault's Flight Test Center, with French Minister of Armed Forces Sébastien Lecornu and UAE Minister of State for Defense Affairs Mohammed bin Mubarak Fadhel Al Mazrouei in attendance. This aircraft marks a significant milestone in the €17 billion contract signed in December 2021, securing 80 Rafale F4s for the UAE. The UAE's journey to acquire the Rafale was not without challenges. Initially expressing interest in 2009, the UAE explored other options like the F-16 and Sukhoi Su-57 before ultimately finalizing the deal for the Rafale in late 2021. This decision follows years of discussions and reflects the UAE's commitment to modernizing its defense capabilities. The Rafale F4 is a true technological marvel, featuring improvements in data processing, artificial intelligence-assisted sensor fusion, and an upgraded helmet-mounted display. With enhanced communication systems for network-centric operations, the F4 is designed to integrate seamlessly with future weapon systems, ensuring its superiority on the battlefield for decades to come. This multirole fighter boasts a top speed of Mach 1.8, an operational range of 1,850 kilometers, and the capability to carry up to 25 tons of fuel and armaments. It excels in air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and even nuclear deterrence missions. The Rafale's advanced radar and electronic warfare systems ensure it can handle the most challenging combat scenarios. For the UAE, the Rafale F4 represents a major leap in air combat capabilities. Replacing the Mirage 2009 fleet, the Rafale will bolster the UAE's military strength and ensure its dominance in the region. Deliveries are expected to begin in 2026, and with this acquisition the UAE joins a select group of countries, including France, Egypt, and India, operating this advanced aircraft. The Rafale's international success continues to grow. With several export orders secured from countries like Greece, Croatia, and Indonesia, the Rafale has solidified its place as a global leader in the fighter jet market. Looking ahead, the Rafale F4 will continue to evolve, with the French government investing in further upgrades to keep the aircraft ahead of emerging threats. For the UAE, this acquisition is more than just a new fighter jet. It's a key part of their strategy to ensure national security and maintain regional stability. The Rafale F4 is more than just a powerful fighter. It's a symbol of the UAE's future in advanced air combat.